Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kira. How y'all been? Today's video is a Sunday reset because lately I was sick and I have not been doing anything. So today I want to be productive and clean up because the house is looking crazy. So I need to go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna take a shower first just so I can feel refreshed. Or should I do it after? Because, like, I'm gonna have all that bleach on me. I'm gonna do it after because I'm gonna just want to do it everything shower. So, let's go ahead and get into the video. Our to-do list is kind of simple. We're gonna do laundry, wash, sweep the floors, and probably mop. So, yeah. I'm gonna do the kitchen first because I have a lot to do today. I ain't gonna lie. Basically, I gotta wash clothes, finish cleaning up, which is my room, the living room, the bathroom. I think, yeah, in the bathroom, and then I'm taking a shower. So let's get started. And yeah, basically, I already did run my dishwater. with that. I'm finna start on laundry and clean up my room. Y'all don't judge me. I've been sick, okay? Don't judge. I know, my room is turning. Okay, it looks good from that angle, but I promise you it's dirty. So let's get into it and clean up.